welcome. This video provides an overview of the Sanford Guide to Antimicrobial Therapy app, available for iPhone, iPad, Android phones, and tablets. Annual app subscriptions are available within the app, but subscriptions purchased through the Apple App Store only work on iPhones and iPads, while subscriptions purchased through Google Play will only work on Android devices. If you want to use both iOS and Android devices, you can purchase a cross-platform subscription at the same price from our online store. Once you've activated the app with your subscription, you'll have access to our antimicrobial therapy content for a full year from the date of purchase. If you're familiar with our print guides, you'll notice three major differences. The app includes more information, is organized by topic rather than by table, and is regularly updated with the latest information. Navigating the app is easy. You can browse through the topics, or use the full text search at the top of the screen. Bug pages are organized to make it easy to identify primary and alternative regimens. If you tap any of the drugs listed on these pages, you'll be taken to the page for the drug. Drug pages start with some basic information on usage and dosing, then provide adult dosing, pediatric dosing, any renal or hepatic adjustments, a summary of adverse effects, the spectrum of activity, pharmacology, and additional information to help inform your treatment decisions. The flag in the top right corner makes it easy to bookmark or add notes to any Sanford Guide content page. In tables, you can select Add Bookmark from the drop-down menu. Be sure to spend some time exploring the Tables and Tools menu. You'll find lots of useful resources in here, including a spectra of activity, pediatric and renal dosing tables, a suite of calculators, duration of therapy, and pharmacology data. When you open our spectra of activity for the first time, the screen will be blank. To add to the table, tap Add Drug or Pathogen and begin typing the name of the drug, bug, drug class, or pathogen group. If you see a cell with a black triangle at the corner, tap the cell for more information about the interaction. You can also tap the name of any drug or bug to be taken to the Sanford Guide content page with detailed information. To remove drugs and bugs, tap the minus symbols next to each. By adding the pathogens you see most frequently and the antibiotics available in your formulary, you'll create a custom spectra of activity. Our Sanford Guide Collection app has some extra features and additional content. Be sure to visit sanfordguide.com if you'd like to learn more about institutional licensing, integrating your local stewardship guidelines and antibiograms, and accessing the full suite of Sanford Guide ID recommendations. If you're interested in trying out the app for yourself, a 7-day free trial is available through both Apple's App Store and Google Play to let you use the app for a few days before purchasing a subscription. To this day, Sanford Guide remains a family-owned and operated business. We're proud of our work and hope that the Sanford Guides help you to help the patients you see every day. Feel free to reach out to our team at any time. And thank you for watching.